Hey everyone, hope you're all doing great. So I'm back with another video. My name is Sianda at SGMBLOCK. So today I just want to talk about the market. As we can see, the market has been pumping lately. As you can see here, if you look on your last 7 days, everything seems to be on the green side. So we've been getting a few pumps there and there, and we have seen with Ethereum lately, it has been doing tremendously well. So from our capitulation phase here, when we touched 800 I think it was 850 if I'm not mistaken, but we can put a line so that we are sure. Yeah, it was around 850 or 870 dollars for one Ethereum. So now we've recovered just a little bit back to something like 1.9. We already touched 1.9, close to 2000 US dollars for one Ethereum. But that shouldn't fool you and think that we are in a bull market. We are not in a bull market. There's a lot of factors that are driving the market to look this way. As we know, with Ethereum, there's a merge coming soon. So Ethereum is going to be moving from proof of work to proof of stake. So there's a lot of speculation. People are thinking that the price is just going to keep on skyrocketing, but that is something you have to keep in mind, that when there's hype on the news, you really have to be careful about it. So if you are somebody that bought somewhere around here when we touched 870 for one Ethereum, that means you are in profits right now. If you've been holding for this long, that's something like 100%, so it's always, so that's what I always say, that the best time to buy in the crypto market is when price is this low, like when we touched 870 for one Ethereum. So those are the best times to buy your crypto. But people always make the mistake and only buy when the market is at the top. I know we are still down from our previous all-time high of 4,800. that was back in November last year. Went down to the downside about minus 81% on our Ethereum, but now the market is turning the other direction. But that doesn't have to fool you and think that the market is just going to keep on rising. This is just maybe temporarily. From talking from experience and what I've seen in these markets, the market might still go down from here. I know we might break this resistance here and then maybe go up to 2000 or 2000 or maybe let's say 2.3 for one Ethereum. It's highly possible, as we can see on the news what is going on with the Ethereum merge thing that everybody's hyping. So it might really make the Ethereum price go even much higher than what it is today. So if you look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin right now is trading at 23,600. We are also still down from our previous all-time high of 69,000 from last year, and we already touched 17,500. That was our capitulation candle here, as you can see, the small red candle here. But then we started to move to the other direction. As we can see here, we are trading at 24,000. No, we are trading at 23,000. But that as well doesn't mean that Bitcoin is not going to go down again. Maybe we might still retest the 17,000 or maybe 14,000. It's highly possible, judging from the macro environment. As we all know, inflation is still high around the globe. We still have a war. Russia and Ukraine are still fighting, so that's also going to be a big factor in the markets. China is still under lockdowns, so disruptions on the supply chains really also affects the markets, because people pull out from their investment trying to be safe and keeping cash on their hands. Because if you are speculating or maybe investing things in things that you don't really understand, like people who put money into altcoins like Terra Luna, we all know what happened to Terra Luna this year. So if you are going to be investing your money in things like Terra Luna, you are definitely going to get hit. But if you stick to the matured assets like your Bitcoin and your Ethereum, even they are also down, but it won't be really that bad like your altcoins as they do. We know Terra Luna collapsed, almost completely collapsed. It went down to zero late earlier on this year around June, if I'm not mistaken. So this video I'm just making it so that I spread awareness to people that if you see the market pumping, especially to people who are new into the market, it doesn't mean that the market is just going to keep on going. I'm saying this because I've been receiving messages from people I know that I've been helping with crypto. They see the market pumping, now they're asking me if should I jump in, should I do this, should I do that. I'm like, I think it's better you wait, because the best time to buy was here. When we reached this level here, when we touched 17,000, that was the best time to buy. But it doesn't mean that you're not going to get more opportunities to buy. The best thing to do is to dollar cost average in. That is the best way to do it. I've been doing this for more than 5 years and it has worked for me perfectly. I don't have any problems with the crypto market. I know these drawdowns can be scary. If we drop down to if we go down 74% to the downside, that can be scary. But even worse with altcoins, maybe let's just look at Solana so that you can see what I'm trying to show you here is that when it comes to altcoins, they can go down much worse than Bitcoin or Ethereum. Because look at Terra Luna, this was roughly something like minus 90% to the downside. So seeing your investment go down 90%, that can be scary, and then you might start thinking the market is a scam. It's just that people are misinformed about this market, but it's doable. Anybody can do it if they educate themselves and do the right thing and don't give your money to strangers on the internet. So yeah, that's what I wanted to share with you. I think I'm going to be making more videos again. I was just busy with other things. I just recently went back to the gym, so I've been working on my body and reading some books, you know, because yeah, the best investment you'll make is investing in yourself. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.